welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vae, back at it with another video. So today I'm coming at you guys with a Sephora haul, and just a disclaimer for any budgetnistas, here on the if you're new to the channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I do appreciate you for tuning in, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm coming at you with a Sephora haul, and just a disclaimer for all my budgetnistas on the channel. All the things here were purchased through Klarna. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that. It's almost like a platform called Zezel. There's a platform called Klarna, which I used. There's QuadPay and there is Afterpay. So if you're not familiar with it, or what it is it allows you to buy things up front and break the payments down into four. So with everything that I bought from Sephora, that's exactly what I did with Klarna. So I wanted to try, so first things first, I wanted to try a new foundation. I've been using Juvia's Place for the past few months, and yeah, I've been using Juvia's Place for the past few months, and I love the full coverage, but I definitely want to try something new. NARS in the color Mako was my all-time favorite for a long time, and I love their foundation as well. It's like it's like butter, you know what I mean saying? So and it definitely gives you that radiant finish as it says it'll do. But I am wearing the Cover FX foundation today, and it's been a few hours, and I think it's held up pretty well. And I did film this look for you guys, so definitely go ahead and check that video. It should be popping up here. I'll also leave a description. I'll also leave a link in the description down below. But again, I did purchase the Cover FX whole line. I purchased the Power Play foundation in the color G100. But it is described as a long-wearing liquid foundation formulated with innovative high-impact pigments that provide buildable medium to full coverage and is breathable. Weightless finish, a trio of ultra-fine powders, control shine, and help visibly blur imperfections all day without dulling or drying complexion. So it's definitely moisturizing. I did use setting powder, so nothing too crazy there, but it does exactly what it says. It's buildable. At first, when I put the foundation on, it was a little light for me. I usually like a full coverage foundation, but yeah, it's definitely buildable. So I do have two coats on, and I don't have much to complain about it. It's a perfect match for me. On Sephora's website, if you know your foundation in whatever shade that you wear in a brand, they have all the brands listed. It can match you up to the perfect shade. So which is surprising, because no shade to Sephora, but the workers there most times cannot, are not able to match you, head on. So for them to be able to do that through the site, it's pretty cool. So this is definitely my shade, and I really like this foundation. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. And I also picked up the concealer and the pressed mineral foundation. The concealer I got is in Neutral Deep 2, and this is what the box looks like. That is a perfect concealer shade for me. If you're my skin tone, that would probably be a good tone for you. The foundation powder, just for a skin finish, in color G80. And it does come with a, I haven't worn this in a while, but I did pick up the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. And again, I wear the color Makeup. So next I picked up this glitter set from the Sephora collection. And it comes with a glitter adhesive and 3 different glitters. I want to get into doing different looks for you guys, so that's why I picked up the glitter. I think these colors are super cute. So next we have this Givenchy set. Get the lip set. So the super pink one, this light pink one is in Perfect Pink, and that's what that looks like. And this is really, to me, is like a lip gloss. Fearless Pink. So this is more just of a like tinted moisturizer, and then you got that pink, more darker pink there, and that's, again, that is Fearless Pink. Next we have this lip set, and usually Sephora will have sets like this where they pick their favorites. They have some in perfume, so if you're looking to just sample some perfumes, and before you actually make a big purchase, Sephora does usually have their favorites that they pick, you know, at least 5 or 6 things, and they place it in a box like this for you, and this retails for $29. The NARS foundation retails for $49, and the Cover FX, let me see. So the Cover FX Power Play Concealer retailed for $15. I think that was on sale. And then the Cover FX Power Play Foundation was $22, and that was on sale as well. And then the Cover XS Pressed Middle Foundation was $19, and that was also on sale. The glitter that you saw, the Sephora collection, Give Me Some Glitter, and that is a hair and body glitter. That retailed for $10, and again, that was on sale as well. So again, this retailed for $29. And it smells so good. Stars lip gloss, and she's expensive, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I love the rose gold detailing on this. So this smells minty. And this is what that looks like, and it's just a clear gloss with some iridescent shimmers in it. We also have Fenty Beauty And this has like a like warm scents to them, like chestnut or yeah, like chestnut. And this is what that looks like. And most of us should be familiar with this, but I definitely had it. It just ran out, so I'm glad I got a second. I think this is like my favorite just because of the packaging, and it's the NARS Orgasm lip tint. So cute. Again, it's just like I want to say it. Let's see. Yeah, it's just like a tinted moisturizer again. This smells so good. You just want to eat it. It smells like Bubblicious bubblegum. Oh, so good. And this is the lip injection, Too Faced lip injections. And I was told that this does tingle when you place it on. But yeah, that's what those look like. But my tinted moisturizers and sunglosses. So yeah, that is it for today's haul. I do appreciate you guys for tuning in. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.